If you want to see how I transformed my brother's old dusty hair into these nice, juicy, luscious locks, then you gotta keep on watching. Hailings everyone and welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to be showing you how I retwisted my brother's locks. Now I'm not a professional loctician or anything like that, but I do believe that I did a pretty good job and I really wanted to show you guys how it is that I did it. Now my brother came to me and said that he had somewhere very special to go to and he wanted his locks to be retwisted, so he didn't have time to go to his regular girl, so instead he asked me, he was like, Kim, could you help me out please? I was like, yeah, sure I can, big brother. So what I am using is the Ocean wax. That's the wax that he says that his loctician uses, so he wanted me to use the same things that she used, you know, just in case everything didn't go smoothly. Now I am applying it to the root right here. I'm getting it as saturated as possible so that, you know, it can help in shaping the base. So I am trying to do a little parting because I want my brother to have like nice crisp locks. You know, I wanted it to look neat as possible, especially since this was my very first time attempting something like this. Now what you see me doing is the palm roll method. Just the method where you just twine almost like a finger coil, almost like a comb coil situation here with the locks, because I wasn't really sure what it is that I was doing, to be completely honest. I cannot believe that my brother had so much trust in me that he decided that he wanted to give me a try in doing this. So the back rows, I believe that I only did the palm roll method because that was what I was feeling comfortable with doing. You know, I have no experience here and, you know, I just try a thing. So I've watched a lot of videos, a lot of inspirational videos on YouTube and Instagram, and it seemed pretty easy to me to get done. So I'm just twining the roots and then pinning it down with some of those duckbill clips, just so that, you know, it can stay in place and it can dry nice and crispy. So I did all of the back row that way in the palm roll method, and my brother was like, Kim, you need to do the method that my loctician did because it needs to be cohesive. And, you know, I agreed with him. So now we are attempting to do the latch hook method. Now this was 2 weeks after his retwist. Don't ask me why him hair looks so messy or what. I don't know, it look like him can't care for him here, but he was going to somewhere that he needed to look dapper, so him call upon my assistance. So I am attempting the latch hook method right now. So what I did, I still put the wax on the base of his hair, you know, the part where the little regrowth is, and then I did twirl it or palm roll it or whatever it is. I don't know the right terminology. As you know, I'm not a professional. I'm gonna say it again, I'm not a professional. I'm just helping out my brother, and twirling the base helps the base to look much neater to me. And I am doing the latch hook method in a T motion. First hook it and pull it through across horizontally, and then do it again vertically. And then when I'm finished doing that, I kind of try and see how best I can get the base to be, not the base, sorry, the length of the locks to be like as neat as possible. So I do run the wax along the shaft of the hair just so that, you know, it can look neat also. We don't want the roots alone to look neat. We want the whole hair, the whole lock itself to look neat. So I'm twisting where I need to twist, I'm twirling where I need to twirl, and I'm palm rolling where I need to palm roll. This experience was a very, I wouldn't say it was challenging, but it was a learning experience. I think that I did a good enough job. You guys can let me know in the comment section down below how it is that I did. You know, all the professional locticians out there, you guys can comment on the before and after and let me know if you guys think that I did a good job, or you know, if we need a little bit more practice, or if we need to go to school. You know, you guys can let me know in the comment section down below. But I do believe that it came out really well. I do like what I was able to achieve for him, helping him out in a situation like this. And you know, I would definitely do it again in the future. You know, what I want to do to help out my brother is I do want to buy the tool, the lock tool, because the shaft of his locks are so like uneven and it bumpy, and you know, it don't feel smooth, you know, like a nice smooth lock. So I really want to get that lock tool that can help with, you know, smoothing out the shaft of the lock so that it can look smooth and neat and nice. But for the most part, I did enjoy doing this little locking session. Like, I feel like I could have do this, you know, I could have take this on for myself as a business or whatever. So let me know your thoughts and your opinions in the comment section down below. It's pretty much self-explanatory from here. Put the wax on the base of the hair, twirl it, and then interlock it using the T method. I'm pretty sure that's what it's called, the T method. So I'm going to allow you guys to watch what it is that I'm doing. Don't forget to subscribe if you're finding this video valuable. If you are a beginner like myself, subscribe for more. Let me know your thoughts and opinions on how you think that I did it. Let me know where I went wrong. You know, we're here to learn, we're here to teach, we're here to interact. So let me know in the comment section down below. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give the video a big thumbs up. It really helps me out a lot in the algorithm. It helps my video to be pushed out to others. So give me a big thumbs up if you enjoyed the video, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos like these. If you're interested in seeing like a lock update, or you know, you want to see his lock journey, he actually has his locks for a little over a year now. I'm almost sure it's either a year or a little bit over a year now, and he's coming from very far. Trust me, his hair was not looking like this at all. Oh my gosh, when I think about it, he is coming from so far. And you know, so far so good with these locks. I don't know how long he plans to keep them in, but for the time being, he has his locks now. So if you are interested in seeing like an update, you guys can also let me know in the comment section down below. Maybe I can give you guys like a 3-month update or a 6-month update. Just let me know in the comment section down below what you would like to see. As always, enough love, big up yourself, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.